This is a walk around video of Boyer Pickering of the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze in Summit White. This one has an automatic transmission and the 2LT trim level, which comes with a turbocharged engine. And this one also has a sun and sound package, which gives you a premium sound system and a power slide and tilt sunroof. On the inside, this 2LT trim level comes with leather pointed seating. Both of these bucket seats are heated, and there's 6-way power adjustments on the driver's side. There's power windows and side mirrors. The steering wheel is leather wrapped, and it has cruise control, voice recognition, and audio. There's intermittent wipers. On the center console here, this is MyLink, and it's on a touchscreen. This MyLink comes with navigation, and you're going to have smartphone integration through Bluetooth. So you can make hands-free calls using the steering wheel, voice recognition, and you can also stream audio through Bluetooth as well. For audio, there's also a USB port and an auxiliary in the armrest here. You also get a free trial for 3 months of Sirius XM satellite radio and a CD player. You can also see through the rear vision camera. It'll be displayed on this screen as well when you're in reverse. You have single zone air conditioning. And you're also going to get a free trial for 6 months of OnStar's Directions and Connections plan. The Cruze comes with 10 standard airbags, and that includes these seat-mounted side impact airbags for the outboard positions. Another safety feature is the latch child seat anchors behind the rear bench seat, and there's also speakers there for the premium sound system. The wheels are 16-inch aluminum. You have a rear vision camera. There's 15 cubic feet of space in this trunk. And you can extend that further with this 60-40 split rear bench seat. So you'll be able to fold down both of these sides. And you also have a fold down armrest with 2 cup holders and an auxiliary power outlet. The turbocharged 4-cylinder Ecotec engine has 138 horsepower. And it's also slightly more fuel efficient than the base engine. It gets a highway fuel consumption rating of 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers. Thank you for watching Boyer Pickering's walk around videos. Come check out more Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick, GMC vehicles at 715 Kingston Road.